Here, Grumpy, have you got the same problem as Timothy? Oh, we don't have to perform
I can't wait till discussion.
Grumpy bloopers.